So in the last class, we discussed about the transition and filters. We have already discussed about the audio, text, sticker, effects, transition, filters, and these all options are completely done. And you guys just need to practice on them, and you will understand very well. So after that, now we have another option which is called adjustment. Basically, adjustment plays a role like a color grading. In color grading, it has an important role. You can make corrections of color corrections or brightness corrections. I'm going to show you that how you can make corrections. So simply, I'm going to delete these effects. After deleting these effects, let's move to this icon. So let's move to this element. I mean this picture. You have to click on it. After clicking on it, you also have a adjustment option here. You can also you have adjustment here, create adjustment. You just have to place it here and you can edit it. But without editing this, if you want to apply this on whole clip, you just need to click on the clip, and after that you have adjustment option. These both are the same option, so you have to go here. If you want to make the color corrections, like if you want to make your color cool, you have to drag it here. If you want to make your color warmer, you can also move to this here. Don't change the tint and saturation. These are the basic options. Let them as they are. After that, you have exposure. If you want to increase the exposure, in the simple words, I'm going to tell you that you can say that exposure works like a brightness. So you can use it as per brightness. If you want to contrast, if you want to make your colors darker, you can use the contrast. Highlights, if you want to increase highlights or decrease highlights, you can do that. Shadows, if you want to increase shadows, you can do that. If you want to decrease shadows, you can also do that. So there the white color. If you want to decrease the white color, you can do that. If you want to increase the white color, you can also do that. Black color in the same way, increase or decrease. So these are the basic options: sharpen, color, and all things. You can increase them or decrease them. It's up to you. Sometimes you need increase. Sometimes you need to increase the brightness. Sometimes you need to set the color temperature, warm or cooler. It's up to your picture or video needs. So you can use. It is not necessary to use all options one time. You just need to use this as per their need. So I hope this is enough for today, and see you in the next video.